Hello students, a very good morning to all. I hope you all are fit and healthy at your home. Students, today I am starting Civics Lesson 23 Understanding Diversity. Students, as we people, we like diversity in our life. We like different clothes, different food, different lifestyle to live. We don't like same thing. एंड दिस इज ओनली नोन एज डाइवर्सिटी. डाइवर्सिटी मीन्स भिन्नता. हमें अपनी लाइफ में भिन्नताएं डिफरेंसेस पसंद आते हैं. हमें एक ही चीज़ पसंद नहीं आती अपनी लाइफ में. हम एक तरह का खाना, एक तरह के कपड़े पहनना हमें पसंद नहीं होता. उसी तरह सारी चीज़ें जो हैं वो हमें एक तरह से पसंद नहीं आती, एक ही वैरायटी की पसंद नहीं आती है. ओके, बट इन दिस चैप्टर वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी अबाउट द डाइवर्सिटी इन इंडिया. What is diversity? Diversity is the state of being varied or the state of being different from one another. जो हम एक दूसरे से अलग है, that is known as diversity. Diversity having different types of people in a group, such as people of different races, different cultures, different people who celebrate their different festivals, follow different religions, speak different languages, and so on. All these come in the diversity. There are many reasons why people are different. They are different because of physical differences, social and economic differences, and personal qualities also. We are different from each other. Culture backgrounds are also there, due to which these differences arises. Now, physical differences. All of us look different from one another. You all know this. Even brother and sister also look different from one another. You notice that some are tall, some are thin, some are short, some are fat. Okay, some have curly hair, some have straight hair, some have blue eyes, some have brown eyes, some has black eyes. All these are differences. Some people follow who belong to different states, speak different languages, follow या worship different gods. They worship to different gods. You can see near to you there are Hindu, there are Muslims, there are Sikhs who worship to different gods, and they speak different languages also. Even they wear different clothes, and they celebrate different festivals. Okay, they eat different foods also. All this come in the physical differences. In spite of all this, we share a lot of things to each other. Okay, this is physical difference. Now, social and economic differences. Social and economic differences also exist among people. You have already heard about the caste system. What is a caste system? Caste system, जाति भेद जो होता है, that is a caste system. Caste, a child born in a particular caste could only take up the job that his father did in the past. What has happened in the past is if a father is a teacher, then her son or her daughter will be teacher only. Why? Because due to his caste, this is followed. But as a time pass, this caste system has became decreases ड्यू टू आवर कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. हमारे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में ऐसे बहुत सारे लॉज लगाए गए जिसकी वजह से कास्ट सिस्टम जो है हमारी सोसाइटी में बहुत कम हुआ. ओके, एंड ये कास्ट सिस्टम जो है इसी ने अनटचेबिलिटी को जन्म दिया था. एंड अनटचेबिलिटी जो है आज के समय में, आज के टाइम में जो छुआ अछूत हम जो बात करते हैं, ये एक क्राइम है अगर हम इसको एक फॉलो करते हैं तो. इसके ऊपर बहुत सारे लॉज बनाए गए हैं. अगर कोई अनटचेबिलिटी छुआछूत अछूत को रखता है तो उसको जेल भी हो सकती है. क्लियर? आफ्टर दैट वी कम टू द इकोनॉमिक डिफरेंसेस. इकोनॉमिक डिफरेंसेस में रिच एंड पुअर. यू सी डिफरेंट पीपल्स इन आवर सोसाइटी. देर आर सम पीपल हु आर वेरी रिच, सम आर वेरी पुअर, सम आर मीडियम फैमिली. सो natural there, if they have differences in this, then their lifestyle, their the basic needs like food, clothing, shelter, they all will be different from each other. Okay, this come in the economic differences. So students, today we have read about the diversity. What is diversity? Why we like diversity? Okay, and what are the differences of this diversity? We have read about this. So I am telling you again that you read the chapter so that the points will be clear to you that what I have teach you today. Okay students, thank you.